Hey guys, Jeremy Rosato here. I am back with another open house this weekend. This time I am out in Orfordville, Wisconsin. We are at 413 Comfort Cove Street. This is a beautiful home, a 5-bedroom style ranch house, about 3,000 square feet. You guys just have to check this house out for yourself. Let's go inside and take a quick peek. All right, everyone, that's the tour. Thank you for walking with me on this great tour here in this beautiful home in Orfordville, Wisconsin. And remember, there's an open house this Sunday at 413 Comfort Cove Street. The house is going for $250,000 and it'll be from 12 to 2 on Sunday. So come on and join me. And I mean, what is there not to love about this house?